Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a Sendwave. Now first I want you to just launch Sendwave and then click here on sign up, or you can continue with your Google or Apple account as well, but just click on sign up, enter your full name, your email address, your phone number, choose your country, and then you'll need to pick who you're sending it to first. So let's say you're sending it to Morocco. Here you need to add a recipient, right? So you need to click on this plus icon right here, and you need to add in their first name, surname, mobile number. You need to retype the mobile number. Of course, you need to choose the payout method as well. Now, it depends on the country. Some countries only have, for example, cash pickup. Other countries like Philippines, you're able to choose different methods like Gcash, bank account, or cash pickup recipient. Now, once you're happy with it and once you've picked your option, you come here and put the amount you're going to be sending. You put in, and then here you'll see how much they'll receive because it'll automatically do the exchange rate. Right here, you can see this is the exchange rate. There's no fees. And once you've entered the amount and you're happy with it, you can click here on continue to send. Okay, that's all you have to do. And then you need to use your card to, of course, make this payment. So you add your debit card and then you put in the expiration date, the CVV code, and then you just input your source of funds right here. You can sometimes they'll also ask you to put in your address, postcode, city as well, and card display name. This is usually optional. And if you haven't already, you'll need to verify your identity. You need to put in your legal name, your gender, and then you need to put in the primary reason for transferring. And then you click on finish and you just choose what your reason will be. Okay. And after that, let's say it's payroll or salary, click on finish and then click on continue to send. You'll see all the details right here before you make the final transfer. Then just click on confirm transfer, put in your password, and there you go. That is how you use Sendwave. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.